One of the charts that I wanted to look at today was Coca-Cola. And so that is in a pretty interesting position for me. So if you look at it, and what I like to do is look at a little bit higher time frame. So take a look at it on like a weekly chart, actually, if you could do that.
How
Um,
about 2 years?
okay, there you go. So you're going to notice that we just recently uh, had a consolidation pattern. Like, so if you go to the left, there was a not quite that far, just where those little blocks of arrows are, right? Like right in this area. See that how it's consolidating? And then I like to really look at the price action of things, but the price went down and it broke down, but then it immediately had a nice buy signal, right? Right at the bottom there. And then it broke out of the top, right? And so the breakout of that consolidation period to me is definitely a signal of buying, right? Of buyers. And it's a nice breakout. And I personally love trading. So if you want to know a little bit about one of my key strategies that I love to do is I love to find consolidation periods like you see to the left, and then I look for breakouts out of the top. And one of the ways that I learned this strategy is a very, very old book. I like old stuff, and I read an old book. It's by Nicholas Darvis. It's called How I Made $2 Million in the Market. And he's got a strategy called the Darvis box, and he looks for consolidation patterns. And when the price breaks out of the pattern, then you basically buy the stock, and then you put the stop loss at the bottom of the box, right? And then the idea is for you to measure the box size, and then you will trade it to the top of the box or tighten your stop and see if it comes out to the next side. So what I was looking at for this was about the bottom to be around the 58 area and maybe targeting around 68, 70 on this particular trade. And I think when we look at the current market situation, again, since I'm with AJ, I'm going to ask him some questions because I want to take advantage of his wisdom. But when we look at the market situation, I feel like a stock like this could be pretty good if we have some trouble in the economy, right?
Yeah,
Because this is like a comfort food, right? Everybody wants to get their, life is bad. Let's drink some pop,
it's true.
Yeah. So I don't think it's going to get hit if the economy gets hit. I think it'll do pretty well. And I think that will show up in the stock price.